Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Moonlight Peaks game not launching or not opening won't start stuck on black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check your graphics cards. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. You have to wait for some time, and after that, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version, and then hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to check for Windows update. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates. So this will check if there is an update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings, and here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. So here is the game application. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game application, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, after that, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. It will download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. So whatever option you get, click on it, click on repair. After that, click on yes. Wait for some time, and after you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC and again log into the game, click on the play button and check if you can play it. If not, next is to close background apps. So make sure no apps is running in the background that is without use. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for task manager. Here under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them and now right click on it and then click on enter. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background, and after that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. Now after the game is removed, you have to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Moonlight Peaks once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.